Welcome to Artificicy AI. Today I will show you how to create a YouTube video using AI. You don't need to take time to create your title, script, description, tags, and thumbnail. You just need to follow these steps to create your amazing video. So, now let's start the video. Step 1. Go to Gravity Writer website. Now create or sign your account. After you log in, we now have a dashboard. Now here is YouTube. Click on. Here we have different tools for creating a YouTube video. Now click on YouTube Idea Generator. Here you need to enter what is your channel about or just enter your video keyword. Then click on Create Content. Here you will see your YouTube video ideas. Choose your idea. I will choose this. After you complete step 1, then move forward to the second step. Step 2. Create an attractive title and thumbnails ideas. Now click on Title and Thumbnail Ideas. And paste your idea here. Here you see the title and thumbnails idea. Just choose and copy your idea. I will choose this. Step 3. Generate your video script. Go on Gravity Writer and click on YT Script Creator. Enter your tile here and click. That's all. You can see your complete script here. If you want to change or edit anything, then go here and change it. After you generate your video script. Now creating a video using our script. To do that, we have a tool called Pictory for creating a video. Pictory is a powerful AI tool that can help you create engaging and professional videos in minutes. In this tool, you can add music, voiceovers, visuals, and anything that you want. Now let's start. Click on the description link to go Pictory website. Click on Get Started. And then sign in. Now we have Pictory dashboard. We are creating a video using our script. To do this, just click on Proceed here. Here you need to add our script. So let's go Gravity Writer and copy your script here and paste it. Then click on Proceed. Now you need to choose a style for your video. I will choose this. You can see that Pictory will proceed with your video. And once have done, you can see Pictory has automatically created a video using our script. To see a preview, just click here. You can see in this video we have visuals, subtitles, and music. If you are satisfied with your output video, you can proceed to the next step. If you need to edit the video. Let's see how to edit your video. Here you will see we have different tools to edit our video. Here you can see our script. Here you will select your scene and edit it. You will change the scene. Select this. Now go on visuals and choose what you want. I will choose this. You can see our scene visuals changed. If you want to add your video and photos, then click here. Now you can see we do have not any voiceover right now. So click here to add voiceovers here. Now click here and choose your liked voices. I will choose this. Now see how look this.
Do you want to make the most of your iPhone? Do you want to unlock its full potential? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal the top 10 hidden features that will revolutionize the way you use your iPhone. From hidden shortcuts to innovative tools, we will guide you through everything you need to know.
After you completed the editing, then click download. Now your video is ready to upload on YouTube. But you need to have an attractive thumbnail to upload your video on YouTube. To do that, click on the description link. Then you have referred to this tool. Click on YouTube thumbnail. And choose your template here. I will choose this and edit it. After you edit it, click download. Now you have your video and thumbnail. But to upload your video on YouTube, you need to have a description and tags. So let's do this. Go back to Gravity Right. And click description and tags. Paste your video title here and click. Now you can see your SEO description and SEO tags and hashtags here. Now have everything to upload your video on YouTube. Go on your channel and click upload video. Click upload. Paste your title here. Paste your description and hashtags here. Upload your thumbnail here. And paste your tags here. Then click next and click public and done. Alright. Now you can create entire YouTube videos using AI. Let me know how you like this video. If you like this video, liked it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, good day, bye bye.